What's up, guys? So we're back with another video today. And today if y'all guys got a new fishing rod. And say if y'all guys got it. And say if y'all guys got a brand new. And say if y'all guys got a brand new. And say if y'all guys got a brand new fishing rod and y'all just put line on it.
Do this. I do that.
Let me see our for real. Let me see. Alright, go ahead. Tell them what we doing. Tell them what we doing.
Don't do fishing. This and that.
Can I just do it?
Yeah.
But chill, let me do it. It's my channel. You gonna have karma. Let me do it. It's my channel.
Okay.
Alright. Go.
Yeah.
Watch it.
My mom will do it.
Watch it. Stop, bro. Chill.
My mom will do it.
Huh? Let you do it?
My mom will do it, so yeah.
Alright, so what's up, y'all guys? Back from the. Alright, so y'all guys. Say if y'all guys got a brand new fishing rod. And stop, please. Say if y'all guys got a brand new fishing rod. Y'all guys got line on it. And y'all guys got a hook. Y'all guys got a hook, but say if y'all guys don't have a hook, this is a paper clip / hook. And if y'all got bait, and if y'all guys have bait, I bought my collection of bait for $20 at Walmart. I bought my string for like $4 to $5, and yeah, it's like a 110 yard long. And today I'm gonna show y'all guys how y'all guys can fix up y'all guys fishing rod and get this thing working. In 3, 2, 1, and 1. All right, guys. So we're back and we got the stuff set up. So all y'all guys really need just to do this is so simple. You just need one tool: scissors. You need scissors or something to sit down or stand up if you want. So all you need is scissors. The first thing I like to do is, since it's already assembled, and since it's kind of going to be hard to put his string back on, first thing I do is that I turn it around, have it face straight. I grab the piece of string. You grab the piece of string first. You gotta locate the piece of string. And I'm gonna show y'all guys something for this. Just pull out the piece of string. Make sure it's long enough, no homo.
I trust you.
Huh?
I trust you.
Hold on, y'all guys. Let me fix my brother his drink. Alright, guys, so I'm back. So first thing you need to do is, this is what you will see. You flip this up first. And you try to get a lot of string as you can. Yeah, you can. I'm doing the YouTube video. And you try to get enough string. Get enough string. That's at least long enough. And then after, you see this? Hold on, guys. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. So, I'm doing something. So then after, what you do is you flip this metal piece down. And y'all guys should see this right here. No, I didn't have your airplane. I was right there. What you should do is, after y'all see y'all guys string, y'all guys should see this. And you flick this and you put the string. You put the string under here. You put this string under here. And then after, you put the string through all the holes. And then after, just wait. So yeah, y'all guys, I'm gonna pause this video real quick so I can be done, so y'all guys don't gotta wait. Alright, y'all guys, so now I got my string through all my loops. Now all you do is get a fishing pole. If you got a fishing pole like me, all you do is just rotate your fishing pole. Rotate your fishing pole. But also, pull your line all the way down to the maximum it can go until it gets too tight where it really can't move no more. And then my screen just got too tight to the point where I'm just saying that to say that, so, and technically it is, because I gave it to you. And then after, hold on, let me fix my line. Okay. Then after, if y'all guys don't want your line to be so long, I'm letting mine be long, because this is really not mine. I'm fixing this for my little brother named Josiah. If y'all guys have me added on PSN, you guys should know who he is. You guys should know who he is. So now, since we got our screen, you really can't even see it. So hold on. Our screen. You get your hook, and I'm gonna show y'all guys hook/clip. I'm using a clip right now. And after, I'm gonna bring this to y'all guys. I'm gonna just show y'all guys real quick how y'all guys do this. First, you get your hook. Your hooks will have little circles, but with paper clips, it's actually more simple. So all you do is just put the paper clip through / put the circle through. No homo. Then after, you just pull the line. Then after, what I gotta do is just flip it over. Get this line. Hold this line that you already held, and then it should be like this. And then after, all you do is this. Let me show y'all guys what y'all guys do. All y'all guys do is this. Damn, I look like that. All y'all guys do is just make a circle like this. Then after, just tuck this little string piece that's poking out right here. Tuck it under. And then after, just use your teeth, hold this piece, and I do this like at least like, I don't do it one time. I do it like 3 times, 3 to 4 or 5 times, because just for in case so it won't pop. Cause like if you have a $50 bait, now say if you just got a $25 bait, and you was watching this video, and all you did was just do one little knot, and that's an easy lost. You easily lost it. You easily lost your bait and your hook. And if you got any leftover paper clips, don't throw them away. Save them, because if you're going fishing one time, save them. And you see, this paper clip is not metal. I'm using a plastic paper clip. And I'm surprised that it was working. See, and the reason I'm making this video is because once I fixed my brother's fishing rod, after he cast it in the house, it stopped working. The line broke, the string broke off, like the hook broke off, and yeah, because I was going to go fishing, next thing you know, pow, my line popped off with my string. And I was walking to the lake, my bait and my hook fell off, and I was devastated because I only had 2 hooks left at the time. But I remember I was just on YouTube, and it said something how to use clips, how to use paper clips as hooks, and then yeah, and I noticed I had a lot of paper clips, so yeah. Yeah. So this is about to be my 4th time tying this in a knot. Done. All right, one more knot and I'm done. One more little tight knot, and then just install the hook and done. Just install the bait and done. Pull it as tight. Don't pull it too hard, because it'll break. I'm just telling the viewers to don't pull the screen too. And then after, you'll see. Then after, this is when the scissors come in clutch. You'll see this little line right here. you'll see this little line right here. And as you see, you can see there's knot. All you do is you just go close. Do not go too close. And you just boom. And now since I'm using a paper clip, hold on. Since I'm using a paper clip, all I'm gonna do is just press against this part. I'm gonna just press against this part. And now this is what I'm working with. And now, since I got a hook, the easy way to put, well, if you got a metal hook, you should already know just, if you got a metal hook, you should just, pow. But since I got a paper clip, oh yeah, also did not split, I just blowed air. And so after, all you do is this, bam, I look black as fuck, damn. Acne's kicking in, bro. Acne, bro, I can't wait till my puberty's done. Alright, so after, I just poke it in the head. Oops, that was not a good one, because look. This was not a good one. Dang, I hate how it rained and it stopped. Because it just stopped raining now. Hear me just saying? I'll take that as a yeah. I'm going to put this straight. So I can just put this straight and bend this. So I can just. And after, I'm going to just bend it back like a hook. And then look. Since I got a little hook left. Let me show you. Oops. Since I got a little, let me bring this fishing rod to me. Wait, let me rotate it first. Because I forgot to unrotate it. Rotate it back. Let's pull this. Leave the fishing rod like this. Now up close. Bro, this thing is still turned. Now it's fixed. Now it's fixed. Now up closely. As y'all guys see, I have a little hook right here. This is where the fish bite on, and this is where I put my hook in the hose, no homo. So, this is what I mean. You see this? See this hole right here? I got this little hook area right here. We's not gonna talk about that. One second. This thing had got tangled now. Just got wrapped around. Alright, let's see if we're having technical difficulties. Alright, we're good. Wait. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna tell you guys when I'm done. Alright, guys. I had big technical difficulties. So my brother's fishing rod has got tangled while I was trying to tangle it. Then after I had to pop his bait off, but now I got his bait back in business. And now this is like my 6th time. And yeah, I am done now. So I hope y'all guys like and subscribe too, cause if y'all guys don't then y'all guys still gotta subscribe, but like at least like the video, cause I'm really filming almost like a 16-minute video just for y'all not to do, like, come on, man. And then yeah, and then here we're done, and we're officially done with my brother's fishing rod. Let's see what he said. Let's see what you think about it, huh? And then this is his. Oh.
Come on.
And now, y'all guys, he's gonna cast his fishing rod. I go ahead and reel it up first. Oh no, wait, let's. Yeah,
It's
go
done?
ahead. Yeah, go ahead and reel it up.
All the way to the top.
No, it's a top medium. So he's reeling it up. Stop.
Okay.
Alright, y'all guys, he's gonna show y'all guys how to cast a fishing rod like this.
So this how you like pull it, and this how you like when you pull that, you pull this, and after come here. And after when you cast it, you want the right
And
thing
stop. When you cast it, here we're in, and then wait, don't.
And after you want like this down, and after you do this, let it forward and come back. And look, this you gotta put it forward so it can come back to you.
Don't reel it all the way up.
I did.
And I hope y'all got. Dang. And I hope y'all.
Hey look, I forget to focus.
Don't reel it all the way up.
Huh?
Don't reel it all the way up. I got it. Alright, I hope y'all guys enjoyed this video from watching YT Skinnily. Hope y'all guys like this video. And comment down below what videos I should make. Peace out.